Hey everybody, surprise video. Have you seen like these people? It's like really prevalent now that they use these cartoon or avatar type people to do things. And it got me wondering what it takes to do that. And of course, it takes images or a lot of cutting images up. But the simplest one, they call image tubing or something like that, and they use different still frames as you would in basic animation. Or if you ever worked with 2D pixel art, you make a bunch of different frames to make an image look like it's moving, same as standard cell drawing. But a lot of these programs are a gig, 2 gig, 3 gig, and up. I was like, well, that seems a bit extreme for flipping an image for hearing your voice. So I made this, which is very basic. You load a silent frame and a talking frame, and you choose your microphone. I'm going to run this called BrokeTuber. I tried to use one of those free make an image thing, but a lot of those are covered in viruses also. So this is kind of the best I got. You'll have a silent image and a speaking image. You'll load, go to our downloads, we have our silent frame, we'd open that, load our open or talking frame, load it. We'll choose our microphone through the drop down combo box. We'll choose our noise gate threshold, which I'm still working on, so I don't know if say you fed it through OBS, if it would take that into consideration or if you'd still use your OBS setup. That I'm still testing on, but this is not like a big project. It was just a whim. So when you hit start monitoring, the image will default when I stop talking after a little bit to the closed mouth one. So now that I'm talking, it's initially going to be open because the last thing I opened, I stop talking, you see that the mouth closes, and this is basically like those avatars, but we're not using gigs and gigs of space to do something as simple as flip between two images with sound detection. Now, as you can see right now, I got it set it to like a zero point 0.5 silence decay. Now, you can set that higher or lower, but this is not meant to have like the fancy features of these other programs, such as bounces, background effects, special effects, hotkeys to do really special animations. This is what I dub BrokeTuber, just enough to have you be able to choose your silent, talking, and monitor, and that's it. And you can also chroma it out for like OBS and stuff like that. But that's this video. It was just interesting to see that something this simple is being done in programs that are a massive size, like about 60 to 70 megs, if that. But again, this is a very simple version of that with none of the like bouncing, special effects, hotkeys, or anything like that. But it does what a lot of the basic things do, and a lot of people use. So with that said, have a good one, and I'll see you next inquiry.